Okay, so discuss natin tong relative motion problem sa dynamics. Car A moves in a straight line while car B moves along the curve having a radius of curvature of 200 meters. So yung given na velocity and acceleration, find velocity ng B with respect to A and acceleration ng B with respect to A. Okay. For the meantime, ito muna yung solve natin, no? Hatiin natin to sa two-part yung video, no? O, para hindi siya masyado mahaba. Okay. So, re-recall muna natin yung velocity ng B with respect to A simply equal to velocity ng B minus velocity ng A, no? Okay? So, yan. Given naman na yung velocity ng B at velocity ng A, no? And yung corresponding direction nila, di ba? Yung B papunta doon and yung A ay pa-vertical lang, straight, no? So, now, since may X and Y component yan, kunin muna natin yung velocity ng B with respect to A with respect to X. Okay? So, ang X component nito ay, di ba? Notice na yung B natin ay, ang angle niya with respect to vertical itong 30. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, pag ganito yung direction ng B natin, ibig sabihin yung X component niya ay to the left. Tama? So, ibig sabihin negative. So, negative 30 sin 30 ang gagamitin natin. Okay, bakit sin? Di ba? Kasi nga, with respect to vertical yung angle. Okay, so yung X component niya ay sin, no? Imbes na cosine. Minus, ang velocity ng A ay 0 kasi nga, pa-vertical lang yung motion ng A natin. Wala siyang X component. Okay. So, velocity ng B with respect to A natin sa Y direction. Okay, this is positive 30 kasi nga upward. Then cosine 30 degrees minus velocity ng A natin 40. Okay, positive 40 kasi nga upward naman yung direction niya. Okay, so yan ano, masasolve na natin yan no, directly. Okay? Yung velocity ng B with respect to A natin ay simply square root ng velocity ng B with respect to A along X plus velocity ng B with respect to A along Y. Okay? So actually, pwede natin i-directly, no? Okay, pero sige. Negative 30. Unahin ko muna yung sa X. Sin 30. Yan. Store ko to sa A. Okay. Then 30 cosine 30 minus 40. Ayan. Store ko naman to sa B. Ay, wait. 30. Lang cosine 30. Yan. Store ko naman to sa B. Yan. So now, yan na makuha natin yung magnitude of simply A squared plus B squared. Yan. 20.531. Okay? So yung velocity ng B with respect to A ay 20.531 meter per second. Ito na yung ating answer. And yung direction niya, simply arctan lang, no? Okay? Lang, tingnan natin yung X niya. Yung X component niya ay negative. Okay, yung Y naman ay negative din. So, pareha silang negative. So, nasa quadrant rito, no? Okay, so arctan nung Y component over X component. Diba? So, katawa lang naman opposite over adjacent lang. 43.064. 43.064 degrees. Then, yung angle niya ay ayan, with respect to third quadrant. Ayan. Okay, pag ganyan, no? Kasi nga, parehas negative yung x and y mo. So, yung angle mo ay resultant nung velocity ng b with respect to a ay nasa third quadrant. Okay. So, ganyan lang, no? Pagkuha ng relative velocity ng b with respect to a, no? So, sa susunod, i-discuss naman natin yung acceleration ng b with respect to a. Okay, so yun lang, no? So, thank you for listening.